The 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor is here, and it's redefining what an off-road beast should be. Built to dominate every terrain, this high-performance pickup combines raw power, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge technology, making it the UK's ultimate off-road machine. Ford has taken the Ranger Raptor to the next level, packing it with a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that roars with 405 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. This means mind-blowing acceleration, unmatched towing capability, and the ability to crush any challenge in its path. Paired with Ford's advanced 10-speed automatic transmission, the power delivery is seamless, ensuring that whether you're tearing through muddy trails, rocky mountains, or sandy dunes, the 2025 Ranger Raptor handles it all effortlessly. Auto Igniters brings you the most thrilling details about this unstoppable pickup, and trust us, this is the one truck that will leave everything else in the dust. One look at the 2025 Ranger Raptor, and you know it's built for serious action. The aggressive front fascia, bold Ford lettering on the grille, and wide fender flares give it an intimidating stance that screams dominance. LED matrix headlights with dynamic bending technology ensure maximum visibility in any condition, while the massive skid plates and reinforced chassis make it tougher than ever. Sitting on 33-inch BF Goodrich Co. 2 all-terrain tires, the Ranger Raptor isn't just a truck, it's a statement of power and performance. The suspension setup is where Ford has truly outdone itself, featuring state-of-the-art Fox Live valve shocks that automatically adjust to terrain conditions, providing unparalleled stability and control. Whether you're jumping dunes or crawling over rocks, the ride remains smooth and composed, delivering the ultimate off-road experience. Step inside the cockpit, and you're instantly greeted by a race-inspired interior that blends rugged durability with premium comfort. The 2025 Ranger Raptor features sporty bucket seats wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara, offering maximum support during high-speed off-road adventures. The orange contrast stitching, carbon fiber accents, and magnesium paddle shifters elevate the truck's performance-driven personality. The 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster and 12-inch portrait-style infotainment system with Sync 4A keep you connected with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The B&O premium sound system transforms every drive into a concert-like experience, whether you're blasting through trails or cruising through the city. Advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system make the Ranger Raptor as smart as it is powerful. When it comes to off-road capability, the 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor is simply unmatched. Ford's terrain management system offers 7 selectable drive modes, including Baja mode, which unleashes the truck's full potential for high-speed desert running. The advanced 4-wheel drive system with front and rear locking differentials ensures maximum traction on the toughest surfaces. Water crossings, no problem. The Ranger Raptor boasts an 850mm wading depth, allowing you to conquer rivers like a true off-road warrior. With an approach angle of 32 degrees and a departure angle of 27 degrees, steep inclines and rough descents are handled with ease. If adventure is in your DNA, this truck is built to fuel your wildest off-road fantasies. The 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor isn't just about performance, it's about setting new standards. Ford has engineered this beast with durability in mind, ensuring it can handle years of punishment while delivering exhilarating performance. The reinforced frame, high-strength steel construction, and advanced cooling system ensure the Raptor keeps performing under extreme conditions. Whether you're a weekend warrior looking for the ultimate adventure vehicle or an off-road enthusiast who demands nothing but the best, the Ranger Raptor is built to exceed expectations. In the UK, the 2025 Ranger Raptor is already making waves, becoming the go-to pickup for thrill-seekers, explorers, and those who refuse to settle for ordinary. With a starting price expected to be around £60,000, it offers insane value for what it delivers. No other midsize pickup in the market comes close to the level of power, technology, and off-road capability packed into this machine. Auto Igniters is here to bring you the latest updates on the hottest vehicles hitting the streets, and the Ranger Raptor is one you simply can't ignore. Get ready for the ultimate off-road experience, because the 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor is here to take over.